this record as frequently as possible.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. You already know what it is. It's a nice world. It's my world, period. And if you're new here, my name is Naya. You guys are my Naya babies. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're not new here, hi, welcome. It's me again. Anyways, as you can tell by the title of the thumbnail or whatever it is, today we are gonna be doing a Bone has a surprise for us at 7. I kind of know what it is. I kind of know what it is, but I'm just not gonna say nothing because I really want to do something, and it's more content for me to show you guys. So I look weird. Let me sit up. But that's more content for me to show you guys. So my shirt is looking all type of dingy ways, but it's okay. I just woke up. Well, actually, not just woke up. I woke up like 10 minutes ago. Hair look a little crazy. Yeah, it's very looking crazy. I need to get my back fixed again because when I was in the pool, it got messed up. So yeah. I'm going to go ahead and get ready. I'm going to wake up. I'm going to go ahead and brush my teeth, wash my face. I am going to get in the shower, even though I got in the shower last night because I feel like I want to take a shower today. I'm going to go ahead and clean my room up. And then we're supposed to be leaving at 7. I don't know where my tablet is to check the time. Oh, it's right here under me. It is 3:44. It's 3:44, and I just want to make sure I have everything prepared. Make sure, yeah. You said somewhere we can get wet. So I think it's the beach. I kind of think it's the beach. And then she said bring some long pants, but why would you bring long pants to the beach and get wet? Like, I don't know. Maybe because it's going to get cold or we're going to be out there for a while. So yeah. I don't know. I just want to talk to y'all real quick. Why would you claw me, stupid? This is her. Look. And I'm not being rough. Come here. This is my Sandy baby. Here you go. Show a hairy butt. Go. You got Sandy, move. Go. But I love her. She's just very, very, very bad. Anyway, y'all, so this is the fit, you know, the pants, the spaghetti strap shirt, and this. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna wear. I can't even switch it up because I don't have my tripod, but I don't know exactly what shoes I'm gonna wear. My pants are a little stained. I just washed these and it got on something, but I'm gonna clean it. Don't mind the stain you see on the sweater. You know, some spots. But yeah, I know it's gonna be cold because I think I know where we're going. But so this is my fit, you know, 360. My hair, I need to fix it because these parts is coming out. I'm finna brush my teeth right now. I already ate, and I'm finna go ahead and edit a video, and I'm finna find some shoes I'm gonna wear. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wear sandals and socks. I mean slides and socks, but I don't have red or black slides. I have Looney Tunes slides with it was like multiple colors. It's all black with different color characters, so I might just go ahead and wear that. All right, yeah. So, and then I'm gonna put my lashes on. I just got some more lashes, y'all. Let me show you what lashes I got. Mom just got me these. Hold on. Give me some lashes. I didn't know what store she was going to, but she got me these, and they're cute. They're extreme, but not too extreme, you know, because by my taste. I'm gonna fix my shirt, then I might just tuck it in my pants so it'll stop like lifting up. But yeah, I feel lightheaded. I'm just finna brush my teeth and then relax. It is now, I think it's 6 or 5 something, but it's getting closer to the time, and I'm getting ready so I don't forget anything. So yeah, and I still have to turn this phone by tomorrow, so hopefully I can try to edit this video. I might not be able to post one video if the video does not transfer tomorrow when I go pick up my new phone. So I'm going to be poop out of luck, but it's okay, y'all. Watch me brush my teeth. I ain't gonna lie, I look a little bit ashy. My face is breaking out like crazy. I just want to have a baby. I'm just playing. But y'all, this is the final touch, the final look, whatever. It's not all that. My face is looking terrible. I forgot already. Oh, so yeah, this the fit. And I'm in my bed with Teddy Ted, the Teddy Ted with the big ASS head. That's his name. Yeah, and I got my doll back there. It's still 5 something. I think it's 6 now, maybe. I'm ready to go. It's getting later and later. Don't the beach close at a certain time? Okay, I hate my chin like that, but yeah, this is the hairstyle. I gotta take my thing out because it's supposed to get like a Barbie ponytail. Yeah. All right, y'all, so we're now leaving. I don't know what time it is exactly because I can't see the time on my phone, but let me not put her license plates in that. But
Are you serious? Are you serious? Why would you do that? With your dumb ass.
She gonna jump her ass.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Dumb.
see that just jump out the stroller because she wanted her mom.
She did a front flip.
But yeah, y'all, we're finally leaving. We're leaving, and yeah. You said who? Where is it? I feel pretty. I look pretty. When did they start making them? Hold on, y'all. Okay, so we're finally freaking leaving. Finally. Welcome to the car. Already called window seat. Damani, you got the keys to the room? Neither do I. Sorry. Yeah, y'all look so freaking cute. I think I'm gonna start looking cute. I'm gonna stop making videos looking crazy. Move, Blake. Don't sit on seat there. Don't sit on there. Go, Blake. Go. Or whatever it's called. Can you not do that with your hair? Oh, there you go. Look, y'all. Can you, like, turn that off? We're going inside the grocery store because we need a couple of things. Our bodyguard. Devon. Him. Oh. Like our bodyguard.
Let's get you on, dog. You gonna fall on you?
Where is my brother? I don't think this boy can even freaking find the mustard and stuff. If I'm not mistaken, because he don't know how to look. And I can't find him on any. Did you find the mustard? I knew it. What did I just tell y'all? He not gonna be able to find it. Here, hold these.
I'm independent.
Hold these. DJ, hold these so I can get the freaking mustard.
Wait, you from this out?
Hold these.
I'm independent.
DJ, Fro, stop playing. Because you stupid. You don't know how to shop in the store. I hate you. For real. Even Hotling is cold and heavy. Kind of awkward recording in the store, but I don't care. Where did he just go? DJ. DeMario. Hit you with the blicky. Hit you with the stick. Let me stop. I don't want people looking at me like I'm crazy. Let me see. Which one? That's not. Let me see. Which one? Which one?
Yellow mustard.
Those one is smaller than the other?
Yeah, but then you look like they're both the same.
How much is that? Get it, bodyguard.
Bruh.
Okay, I'll stop.
These buttocks are just strictly for me.
Oh, I'll give y'all a little fit. A little. What?
We is not trying to. What's the outfit for the day? Nah, you should have done that at home.
I showed them my outfit multiple times, but I showed them these. I told them that these sandals is not the real sandals. I just need something to walk outside with. No, for real. Why would I have purple sandals on? My what's it called? Looney Tunes sandals are in the car.
Purple's a good color. What you mean?
Purple with red, white, and black. No, that's no.
See, back in my day, all we wore was brown.
Can't even find my sister because she probably don't know how to shop either because she's stupid. Well, what he say?
That's a nice ass.
Stop cussing.
That's what he said.
Oh, she pretty?
10 for 1. This be the last shit to introduce like every year.
DJ, no. Let's go. No, because the mama don't let us buy those.
Yes.
I'm gonna let you buy them?
No.
She be letting me get them. 1, 2, 3.
I'm finna call her and ask her. Alright, you gonna give me my dollar back anyways, bro. So come on. What?
We're gonna drop those. That's gonna be embarrassing. Pick them sausages.
Why don't you get the ones that got the case on the thing? Go get them now. Show me your card. Show me your card.
My car, I'm
Big
rich.
money. Big money.
money.
Big
You know how
money.
much money this was? This was enough to buy my
Look
food
at
for a
mine.
year.
Y'all pose. This is my thumbnail. I for sure think I'm gonna do. I for sure think I'm gonna do it for my thumbnail.
My head looks still on.
Yeah, don't put that on. You gonna mess it up. Everybody do this.
No.
Don't I do it?
What am I sticking up one finger for?
It's not one finger. Why am I look cricket? Wait, hold on. I'm sorry. One more time. One more time.
Not even.
Okay. Pretty girl name now. The other day she get finer.
You can't see.
Let me stop.
You can bring my hair.
I'm not bring that.
Come on, you did yours.
I just redid my parts. That's it. Well, I did break these down. I'm not gonna lie.
Did you ever finish the back?
Yeah, I did.
The bottom back?
Yeah, mommy did them, but she gotta do it again because I got in a point and got messed up. We made it, y'all. It's dark as heck. My thing that came out on my side. Wait, is that the same one? Oh no. We made it, but it's super dark. Let me turn this way, maybe. You can see me a little bit. But now I gotta get everything out the car, and I see that when we get over there, when we find the spot. I don't know exactly where we're gonna be.
But it's water.
I don't think YouTube will let me. Well, let me do that, huh?
Did you hear him?
No.
He said that's a special water because it gives you energy, but it's just water.
Hold on.
I'm just saying because that's plastic.
It's just to block the wind for a little bit so the fire can get going.
Hurry up here.
I don't have them. I don't want these.
Here.
I got some mints just in case you need a lot of them, but I think it's good. You want some mints?
Mike, can you open the other hot links, bro?
Mom, try to stick it straight through. Oh shit.
No, hold on.
You gotta stop.
No more sauce in it?
No. Stop. Here it
Oh.
comes. You don't do that here. It don't matter.
Why you want to do mine?
No. Here, Mom. Oh, that was...
Pretty girl named Nine.
Right, like I can chop mine off and get a new one every time. So can I get one, please?
That's the day she get.
I'm sorry. Here.
Don't mind.
I think it's the prettiest I ever looked on my YouTube videos. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm always sexy. But you made that face, though. I don't think that's
Accurate.
Yeah.
Liz.
Yeah, my first link was busted, so I had to make another one. Oh, it's too.
So, somebody, can you hand me one? You know, I'm born. Just a little closer, man.
Where's the sports stuff at?
It's right here. Nobody came on. I'm gonna smoke.
I can do it. Back up. Sit down.
I'm gonna give him more. Now your hot dog on fire.
Huh?
Your hot dog was on fire. I think mine's is pretty. Hey, that stick touched my mouth and it was hot.
Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll.
Oh, control.
Bro, y'all not familiar with your eyes. This smoke going crazy behind. Y'all lucky. Y'all don't got police so we can detail y'all.
See the hot dog, Bubba?
All right, getting too off my hand. Can I get a bun? Bun, right, give me a bun. Bun.
No, your hand ain't burning.
This is my second hot link.
Give me a bun while you're there.
Yeah. No.
Shit.
That's burning. No,
Y'all know this is the first bonfire we had in years.
I ain't never had a bonfire.
Yes, you have. We had multiple at the beach.
I'm
You gotta be cute with it.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Right, hanging out somewhere new and falling out in a camp canoe. What's that smell? It's on your shoe. Kiki, walk up, mom. This is our home away from home. But watch your back. I'm best stay my phone. Kiki walker. Kiki walker.
Can you give me a cracker?
That's why they fall. And her ass right there scratching and leaning.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie.
Busting.
She.
Look, Donna. You like a marshmallow burnt on it?
No, I don't eat that, man.
You don't eat marshmallows?
She likes sweets. I like hot stuff. What you like?
I like glizzy.
You like what?
I like hot dogs. Y'all inappropriate. Y'all know that.
What? We never said that. I do class.
Nah, you inappropriate because you the one that. You know what's that?
You just. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is the end of the video. You already know what it is. And I swear to my world. Period. And if you're new here, my name is Naya. You guys, my Naya baby. And if you're new here, my name is Naya. You guys, my Naya babies. That's one of them.
Why do you keep calling us your Naya baby?
Because y'all are. Anyways, yeah. Make sure you follow my social at the bottom of the screen. We're gonna go ahead and finish this bonfire with my third link. And yeah, I love y'all. God love y'all. I forgot y'all. Can't do my piece.
Play this record as frequently as possible.